This is part 2 of our lesson on equation of a line practice. We're finding the equation of some lines, and we are starting part B. So part B says we want to find the equation of the line that passes through 35 and 2 and is parallel to y equals 5 over 7x plus 18. So anytime you're doing an equation, there are two things you need. You need slope and you need y-intercept. And together, we are going to make an equation out of that. Okay, so slope. When I read through the question, they didn't specifically or explicitly tell me what the slope was, but I do see the word parallel. And parallel is secret code for slope. So things that are parallel have the same slope, which means the slope of my new line is going to be the same as the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? Well, I'm going to look at the number in front of the x, which is 5 over 7. So the slope of both lines is going to be 5 over 7. Now, y-intercept. Does it say that it would have the same y-intercept as this line? No. Actually, if the two lines are parallel, that means they have the same slope. And then if they had the same y-intercept as well, it would really mean they were just the exact same line. So to get my y-intercept, I'm going to use y equals mx plus b. And the point that they gave us, 35 and 2, that is x and y. So I'm going to get y, so 2 equals m, that's 5 over 7, times x, which is 35, plus b. I need to multiply 5 over 7 and 35. That 35 is secretly over 1, so I get 2 equals 5 times 35 is 175. 7 times 1 is 7. 175 divided by 7 is 25. So I am going to subtract 25 from both sides. 2 take away 25 is negative 23. So my y-intercept is negative 23. So my equation in the form y equals mx plus b is going to be y equals m, 5 over 7, x, and then minus 23. And that is the equation of our line. You can join me in our next video to do the next example.